As a carrier, making as much money as you can is an absolute necessity. That's why DAT1 comes equipped with TriHaul, a way to make more money on the trip you are about to make. TriHaul works by using DAT's knowledge of rates to find the highest paying routes on your return trip. Let's say you just dropped off a load in Atlanta, Georgia, and now it's time to head back home to Los Angeles. You could just start looking for loads from Atlanta to LA and try to find one with the highest rate. Or you could use TriHaul to find 2 loads instead of 1, ending up with you making a lot more money than just hauling 1 load. Start by doing a city-to-city search in DAT1. You will see the average lane rate for hauling a load from Atlanta to LA, and that is what you could expect to make on this trip. But right next door is TriHaul, suggesting that you could make thousands more. Just click on TriHaul to see how. The top half of the screen reminds you of what you can make and how many miles there are for the trip. The bottom half of the screen will give you some routing options that can make you more money. For instance, in this example, TriHaul suggests finding a load from Atlanta to Columbus, a 567-mile trip that can make, on average, $1,641.97. That will get you on your way with a good chunk of change. Now that you drop off the load in Columbus, you can find another load going all the way back to Los Angeles. This is another 2,250 miles and can make you on average $6,515.77. So you've hauled 2 loads instead of 1, made $3,475.62 more than a straight through trip, and you've only added just over 600 miles to the trip. That's quite a difference in revenue. And if that suggestion doesn't work, TriHaul will show 4 others that might work better for you. So the next time you have a return trip to make, consider using TriHaul and see more profit.